Something is licking his chops.
Hey, get out of there!
Oh my gosh. I feel like such a tourist right now.
Yeah. Hey, get out of there!
Hey, bear! Hey, bear!
Hey! Woo!
So is this just today that he's doing this?
This is just today. This is just new. Hey, get out! Go on! Get out of there! No.
Oh, he's going back for hopefully.
No, you don't scare me.
Hopefully your upholstery is okay.
Yeah, they don't. I'm sure he's not.
Do you want me to call the facilities, get someone down here?
No.
I gotta get on the run. I'll see you later, Nathan.
Get Oak. Come on, get out! Hey! Get out of there! Go on, get out of there! Get out of there! Go on, out! Go on! Yeah. You get out and you stay out. Go on. Go on, get up the hill!